Hi students, welcome to the Narayan PU College online classes. Today I am going to start a new chapter, application of integrals. Already we finished integrals PU and competitive also for both indefinite and definite integrals. And application of integral. Now integration, one of the best application to find the area bounded by the curve and the ordinates. The ordinates can be x values or y values. We can find this area with respect to x axis or with respect to y axis. Now in this area, how to evaluate, already we learned some basic concept in fundamental theorem of integral calculus. In that what? The curve is y is equal to f of x and the ordinates x equal to a and x equal to b and the positive x axis we take it. In this, by using this given data, we can find the area by using definite integrals, not by indefinite integrals. We are taking y axis and x axis. The curve y is equal to f of x. Here the limitations x equal to a and x equal to b and the x axis. This region clearly it is above the x axis is there. Here this area we need to find out. This area function we consider generally a of x, because the function in terms of x will take, limits also in terms of x is there. That's why we are taking this region with respect to x axis. In this, how to find this area a of x means integral a to b y dx. What is the y means? Y is f of x. That means when you take in the x limits, the function also we need to consider in terms of x. Here y clearly in terms of x is there. That's why here we can write integral a to b f of x dx. This is a area function. How to evaluate? By using, this is the best application of integrals to find area bounded by the curve and any limitations, and also we can find area between not only single curve, we can take multiple curves also. The area between two curves, that means two parabolas, two ellipses, two parabola and ellipse, parabola and circle, like that area between line and parabola, area between line and circle. Like this, we can find area between any two curves. That can be line or parabola, circle or anything. We can find the area by using definite integrals. That is the best application of integration. Now in this, we learn how to find the area with respect to x axis, above x axis or below x axis, or right side of y axis and left side of y axis is there. How to find the area? Now that is a concept we are taking, area bounded by simple curves. Area bounded by the simple curves. In this first one, the area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x, comma ordinates, the ordinates x equal to a, comma x equal to b and x axis. Based on this, how to find the area bounded part? If you take the diagrammatic representation, we can understand easily. Y axis and x axis. This is a curve y equal to f of x and the limitations from a to b. Here in this, we are taking this area is a clearly height wise we take. It's a vertical part. We are taking vertical strip. This vertical strip contains with respect to dx. That means we need to integrate this with respect to x. This is a y vertical because it's a parallel to y axis. Condition wise height we will take y only generally. So y dx, that means the limitations whatever you are taking, this is clearly a vertical strip. This is the area we need to find. That means from integral a to b, y dx. This y dx means is a vertical strip height of the area region. Now this one I am taking representing with like this a, b, c, d. It's clearly bounded region. Now to find this area equal to area of region. Which one? A, B, C, D, A, because this is a closed part, enclosed part. For this region, what is the lower limit of x? A, upper limit is B, y dx. And where is the y? Because we can't integrate this, because this is a y and this is with respect to x. That's why y in terms of x we need to convert. That is integral a to b f of x dx. This is a one type of area. Next, same this region, it's clearly positive only will come when it is in first quadrant above the x-axis. When coming to the below the x-axis, what you will take? The area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x, comma ordinates x equal to a, comma x equal to b, and below the x-axis. Below the x-axis. Now below the x-axis means the region will becomes like this. So y and here y dash x. This is the origin point. The curve is there below the x-axis. The ordinates from x equal to a to x equal to b. In this, here also you will get vertical strip. This is a y and we are integrating with respect to x, that is dx will take. When the below the x-axis is there, a value becomes negative, but area of any region is always a positive. Now this is a curve y is equal to f of x. Now the value becomes negative, but ultimate we need to get area is always a positive. For that we are taking modulus of this region, whatever region we are taking that value, that is area equal to modulus of integral a to b y dx. Why taking modulus means the value of this one directly if you find integral a to b means negative will come, but area ultimately it is always a positive. To get the positive value, absolute value, we are taking modulus. Integral a to b, what is the y value? We need to convert in terms of completely x. That means, for example, like this is their curve. It's clearly parabola. Now limits is given x value 1 and x value 2. If you want to find the reason, what you will do? Integral 1 to 2 y dx. Y we don't know, we know y square. Y means how to find root x. We need to convert y into in terms of x. Y is equal to f of x. Now in the place of y we will take what? Root x. Then we can integrate the complete region, we will get area. So this is when the area is above the x-axis and below the x-axis, and below x-axis is there, we need to take modulus for that region. This value always negative will come because region is below the x-axis. While taking modulus, it will become a positive. Next, third type, how to find area bounded by the curve. Now the given function in terms of y, x equal to g of y, and the lines y equal to c and y equal to d. The y limits is given, that means, okay, and y axis. Here y axis means I am taking right side of y axis, okay. right side of y axis. The right side of y axis means the region will get like this. Y axis and x axis origin. This is the curve. Now we are getting the strip is clearly horizontal strip because that strip is clearly parallel to the x axis, and the limits also whatever taking lines, these lines are parallel to x axis. And this is the curve what here x equal to g of y. Here we are taking horizontal strip. This is the x, but we are integrating with respect to what? dy. Y, that means we will take the function of x, the function x, we are integrating with respect to y. X is clearly in terms of what is there already? Y. X value is the function of which variable? Y variable. So this region we need to find complete region. This horizontal strip is represent the integral value of x in terms of y we have to take, and with respect to y we need to integrate. How to find this area? Area equal to integral c to d. C and d are the y limits. Whenever the y limits we have to take, we need to convert in terms of y variable only. Now what is the function is there? X into dy, but x in terms of what is there? Y. That one we need to replace. Integral c to d g of y into dy. This is another type of area finding. How means, for example, simple like x square equal to y given, and y limits is 2 and 4 is given. With respect to y axis only given clearly. Here we need to find clearly x value in terms of y. X equal to root y. So area how to find? Integral lower limit is 4, upper limit is 2 to 4. X dy. X dy means what is x value? Root y dy. That's why x means it's a function of y. Y means it is a function of x. That's a way to integrate like this. When the limits is given in terms of y, y limits is given, the x we need to convert in terms of function of y. Then we can substitute this formula. We can integrate by using integration formulas for that. Next, fourth type. When the region here means what? This is a clearly positive function greater than 0. Left side it becomes negative value. In that case, area bounded by the curve x equal to g of y and lines y equal to c, y equal to d, and left side of x axis. Left side of y axis. That means here region component will come this side. Here this is y axis, this is x axis, this is y is equal to c and this is y is equal to d. Simple logic, a right side x value positive because x is equal to g of greater than 0. Left side of y axis x value negative because x in terms of y we are taking this. Here also what? Horizontal strip only we get. This strip represents variable x. We are integrating with respect to y, that is dy. It's complete region we need to find. Strip represent the variable in terms of what is there and how to integrate. Integral variable is what? Y. This is a curve what? X equal to g of y. How to find area? Area equal to, when left side means this function will becomes negative, less than 0. Because it is the left side of y axis there. Left side of y axis x value clearly negative. So y it's a negative means we have to take here integral c to d x into dy. That x is what in terms of y function. C to d g of y into dy. Now this is the way to find the area. Either first two are what? Above x axis, next below x axis, next here right side of y axis and left side of y axis. This is a way to find the area of region between the curve and the coordinates or lines and the positive x axis and positive y axis. Okay, one more. Same area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x and ordinates x equal to a and x equal to b and the x axis. But in this, region is splitting into two parts. So y axis and x axis. Here the reason I got like this. Here this is a x equal to a. This is x equal to b. And this is one more is a breaking the curve. This is a c, x equal to c. Here two regions I need to find. Both regions I need to find. But here below region is clearly below the x axis, and from c to b it is above the x axis. Below means y value clearly negative. That means function is less than 0. Above means y is positive, means f of x is greater than 0 only. But we need to find total area. What is the area from a, b, c, d? So we need to find area what here? The area equal to area of region ABCDA closed part we need to find. But this region is splitting into two parts. Reason directly don't take from A to B. A to B the curve nature is not same. Reason from A to C it is below x axis. From C to B is above x axis. Nature is different. But nature different means we need to find a splitting area and we need to add. It divided into two parts. How to find? For first part it is below the x axis, that's why I take modulus integral a to c. What is the function? This is y is equal to f of x. This is f of x dx. Plus from c to b. C to b modulus is not taken because it is already above the x axis. Function is clearly positive. C to b f of x dx. By adding these two areas, splitting areas, you will get the total area of the region from A to D. This is another concept when it is involved both below and above. Similarly for y axis also. One region is the right side of y axis, one region is left side of y axis. Like same concept we look at there also. Clear? Now few terms we need to remember in this case. Figures we should remember. First of all, parabolas. First, y square equal to 4x because diagram is important for this chapter. For y square equal to 4x. Now, the curve argument we will see. This is a curve. Next, y square equal to minus 4x. This is towards negative x axis. Next, x square equal to 4ay. This is upwards will come positive y axis. And d, x square equal to minus 4ay below the x axis, like this. This is the diagrams of 4 parabolas. You should remember. And next, ellipse. This area how much will come? This also same. This also same. This also same. If you find one region, multiply 4 times, you get the total region. You need to find all 4 parts separately. Clear? If you find one part, it is symmetric with the remaining 3 also. That's why this is a diagram of ellipse. Ellipse equation is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here what is the condition? A is greater than b. Next, a is less than b means towards yx window. Here the equation is same. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a is less than b. In this case also. So next we will discuss one example. This is example 1. Find the area enclosed by the circle. Find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. This is a clearly equation of circle having center is 0, 0 and radius is a. Center, because to draw diagram we need the basic values and radius is small a. We will draw the diagram based on this given data. This is the center of the circle, radius is a, that is a comma 0. This length is clearly a. Each one part is equal to remaining 4 parts. We need to find complete area only. To find complete area, we will find only this region. Clear? Now for this lower limit is 0, upper limit of x is what? A. I will take x limits means I want to take complete. This is O, A, B. I am taking with respect to x axis only here. When you are taking x axis, complete curve change in terms of x. What is the circle is given? X square plus y square equal to a square. The limits already we got. From 0 to a, this region will come. Curve what here? Circle. This region is bounded between what? X equal to 0 and x equal to a and positive x axis and the circle curve. Okay. Now find out y in terms of x. A square minus x square. Y equal to what will get? Root of a square minus x square, the value. Now here total area of circle equal to 4 times of area of region OABO, because each part is equal to first part. So 4 into integral, lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. Now what is the curve we are taking? Y into dx, because we are doing with respect to x axis. Here 4 into integral 0 to a, y means what here? Root of a square minus x square dx. We have formula already given in the competitive, integral root of a square minus x square dx. Formula is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c, but c we are not taking here because this is a definite integral. For maximum number of questions you will use this formula only in this chapter, maximum questions. 4 into apply formula, integral of this what? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Don't take sigma, limits is from 0 to a. Now substitute upper limit and then lower limit. Upper limit substitute what will you get? A by 2, okay. A square minus a square, this value becomes 0. A square by 2 into sin inverse of a by a, that is 1, minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 0. 0 into anything 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse of 0 also 0. Remaining what left here? A square by 2 into sin inverse of 1. 4 into a square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 means what? Sin 1 at which angle? Pi by 2. Now total 4 pi a square by 2 2s are 4. 4 4 cancel. Now pi a square. Now generally area of circle is what? Pi r square. Where is r is what here? A. We got same only. But we are finding based on definite integral concept. This is the area of circle, complete circle. So right, in place of finding all 4 parts, find one part, multiply 4 times, because the complete area of circle is having 4 parts, equal parts. That's why I am taking total area of circle is 4 times of area of only this region, OA, BO. If you find with respect to y-axis also, you will get same answer. Okay. Next, question number 2. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Sir, ellipse equation also given already. Now what is the ellipse structure is there actually like this. We will take general form only, a greater than b. Here also each part is symmetric with other parts. Here center is origin. Here a comma 0, here 0 comma b. I will find this area. I will find with respect to x-axis only. From where to where? 0 to a. Because on y-axis x value 0 only. This is x equal to 0 line. And another value is what? A. This is I will take OAB. In the place of finding all 4 parts, I will find one part, I will make 4 times. Like a total area. Before that, we are doing with respect to x-axis means we will take x limits only from 0 to a. That's why we need to convert the equation in terms of y completely in terms of x. So what is the ellipse is given? Ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And here x value is from 0 and a will take. Limits. They are not given, we can identify from diagram easily. Now here y square by b square equal to, send this value right side, 1 minus x square by a square. Now y square, b square multiply that side and take LCM, what will get? A square minus x square by a square. From this, y square equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. Y in terms of x we need, that's why square send that side, root of b square, b by a to root of a square minus x square. This is the curve we got. Now total or area of ellipse you can take enough. Area of ellipse equal to 4 times of one part. Area of region OABO 4 times, because this is one part, total 4 parts if we take, that is the region we will get. 4 into, what is the limits? 0 to a, I am doing with respect to x-axis only. 0 to a, y dx. And what is the y value we know already? 4 into integral 0 to a, b by a into root of a square minus x square dx. b by a is a constant, take common, 4b by a integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. Now from this, same, just now we given formula, integral root of a square minus x square formula is what? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Limits is from 0 to A. 4b by A, substitute upper limit A by 2, A square minus A square, value becomes 0. A square by 2 into sin inverse of A by A, that is 1. Minus lower limit 0 into anything 0 plus A square by 2 sin inverse of 0 is 0. Right, I am writing 0 only. What remaining value left inside? A square by 2 into sin inverse 1. Outside is 4b by A into A square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 means pi by 2. Now one A value cancelled. 4 pi AB by 2 2s are 4. 4 cancel. That is pi AB square units. Already we know area of ellipse formula is pi AB. That only we got answer based on definite integral concept. Now I done the area finding of ellipse with respect to x limits I taken with respect to x axis. Same I will do with respect to y axis because this part is bounded with respect to y axis also, not only x axis. That's why another method, same curve, ellipse is same, no changes. Ellipse is what? X square by A square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If you do with respect to y axis also, we will get the same answer. I will take y limits. Now along y axis, what is the limits is 0 to b. So here y is equal to 0, y equal to b. Whenever taking with respect to y axis means y limits if you taken, we need to convert x in terms of y. That means x square by y square, send that side, 1 minus y square by b square. X square equal to a square into take LCM, b square minus y square by b square. LCM term is b square. Now from this, send square that side, root of a square by b square, that is a by b, root of b square minus y square. Now we are doing the integral value with respect to y axis. So y limits you taken, we got x value completely in terms of y. Now area of ellipse, we need to get pi AB only again. Area of ellipse equal to 4 times of area of region, same region OABO. Limits is from 4 into 0 to b. Y limits you are taking means x into dy, because the function of x in terms of y. X is not in terms of x again, x in terms of y, that's why we are taking dy here. Okay. 4 into integral 0 to b, what is there? A by b into root of b square minus y square into dy. A by b take common, 4a by b integral 0 to b root of b square minus y square dy. Same formula, integral root of a square minus x square, same formula only. In the place of x, y will get, in the place of a, b. Y by 2 into root of b square minus y square plus b square by 2 into sin inverse of y by b. Limits is from 0 to b. 4ab, upper limit substitute b by 2, b square, y means what here? In the place of y only we need substitute limit. So b square minus b square 0 plus b square by 2 into sin inverse of b by b 1 minus lower limit 0 by 2 0 by anything, 0 into anything 0 only, b square by 2 sin inverse of 0 by sin inverse of 0 what? 0. Here 4a by b into what remaining left here? B square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 is what? Pi by 2. On b value cancel. In numerator what? Remaining value left pi AB. Denominator 2 2s are 4. Now 4 cancel. What is the answer we got? Pi AB square units. If you do with respect to x or with respect to y anything, the answer will be same. It never changes. Next, example 3. Next models area bounded by curve and one line they will give. How to find area? Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square and line y equal to 4. Now this parabola is a third type of parabola. Clearly y it means is clearly in the form of x square equal to y form, Fourier y form, and another line is what is given y equal to 4. This is clearly will come upwards. Respect to y axis will get this is x square equal to y curve. Y equal to 4, it is a line cuts y axis and parallel to x axis. This is y is equal to 4. Upper limit is 4 up to this only, but what is the lower limit means 0. Here we need to find both areas, they are not mentioned only in first quadrant. That means both areas we need to find. But I will find one part, we will make double. This region I will take O, A, B. This is C if we take. We need the complete area. OA, BCO we need, but I will make 2 times of OA, BO only. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 4. This clearly with respect to y axis there. It is clearly with respect to y axis. X axis is not involved in this case. That's why I will convert x in terms of y. X equal to root y. Root y means what? Y power 1 by 2. Now, area of region, or before finding this, I will find out only one area. I will assume this is like A1, but we need to find total area. Okay, for finding total area, I will find first one part. A1 I will find out. A1 means what? Area of region OABO. For this OABO, limitations are what? Lower from 0 onwards up to 4. These both are y limits, means function also take in terms of y. What is a function? Y power 1 by 2 dy. I am not taking x dy like that. Directly take the function x already converted in terms of y. This clearly in the form of integral x power n form. Y power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Limits is from 0 to 4. Y power 1 by 2 means what here? Y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to 4. Now 3 by 2 reverse, that is 2 by 3, it will come outside. Substitute upper limit in the place of y, that is 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit is 0. 2 power 2 by 3, this 4 you can write 2 square, whole power 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. 2 by 3 into 2 cube is 8. What is the value? 16 by 3. This is what? A1 only. But we need total area. Total area means what? This part required and left side part also we need to find. That's why total area 2 into A1. That's 2 into 16 by 3. Answer is 32 by 3 is the answer, square units. So next question. Question number 4. 3 exams already over. This one important for 5 marks. Find the area of the region find the area of the region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, enclosed by the x-axis comma the line y equal to x and the circle x square plus y square equal to 32. Now area between x-axis and y equal to x and the circle x square plus y square equal to 32. Here limits is not given. What is the region limitations are not given. We need to find first what is the circle is given. The circle radius is clearly we can write like this, x square plus y square equal to this we can write 4 root 2 whole square. 16 2s are will get 32. Y means to find this center is clearly 0 comma 0, radius is 4 root. To dot diagram of circle we need this. Let's take it as equation number 1. Clear? The value wise or before this only take no issue 1 and the line what is given y is equal to x, that is y is equal to mx is always passing through origin in first quadrant and third quadrant straight line. Now where these two are intersecting we don't exactly, we need to find that. I'll solve this 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. How to solve? Substitute y is equal to x in equation 1. In the place of y substitute x only equal to 32. 2x square equal to 32. X square equal to 16. X equal to plus or minus 4. X value 4. Y also 4. X value minus 4. Y value minus 4 because y is equal to x. Now at these 2 points both are intersecting. Points of intersection. One point is 4 comma 4, another point is minus 4 comma minus 4. Now based on this we can draw the diagram. This is circle approximately I am taking, exact measurement is not required. Center is origin clearly. For this radius is 4 root 2. That's why point 4 root 2 comma 0. And the line clearly it is passing through origin y is equal to mx form, passing through origin. Approximate rough diagram is enough for this. This is y is equal to x. This point already we know negative. Both are negative in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Both are positive in first quadrant. That's why this is a 4 comma 4. Here, two reasons are there. 0 to 4 only line is exist. From 4 to 4 root 2 only curve. Curve means circle is exist. So here two regions is there. Splitting regions. This is one region. I will take A1. This is A2. We need to shade this region compulsory. Two regions are there here. Okay. This is O, A, B, this is C. Now the region clearly we can find two areas are there. Now line already there y equal to x. I am doing with respect to x axis only. While doing x axis we need x limits. Okay. Now x limits means what? This limit is from where to where? 0 to 4 only. Next for curve what is the limits? From 4 to 4 root. Clear? Now but circle we need to convert in the form of perfect squares because y in terms of x we need to convert. From 1 I will find y square equal to 32 minus x square. Y equal to root of 32 I can write 4 root 2 whole square minus x square. This one you will use here. Now first A1 is what? Area of region OACO or OCAO. For this region limits is what? 0 to 4, which is present here curve line only, that is x dx. Why in terms of x I taken? Directly I am writing again y dx is not required. Okay. Integral of x is x square by 2 from 0 to 4. Upper limit 4 square 16 by 2 minus 0. So A1 we got clearly 8. 16 by 2. Next A2. A2 how to find? Area of region. Which region? CABC. Area of region CABC closed part. For this limits is from where to where? 4 to 4 root. Clear? Because the C point is clearly 4 comma 0. Because this is lying on which axis? X axis. From 4 to 4 root 2, which is present here only curve. Curve already we got here. Root of 4 root 2 whole square minus x square dx. This also in which form? Integral root of a square minus x square. What formula? X by 2 into root of a square means that is 32 minus x square plus a square by 2. 4 root 2 whole square. 32 by 2 sin inverse of x by a. A means only 4 root 2. From 4 to 4 root 2. Substitute upper limit 4 root 2. 32 minus 4 root 2 whole square 32. It's 32 minus 32, what will get? 0. Plus 32 by 2 16 sin inverse of 4 root 2 by 4 root 2, that is 1. Next lower limit 4 by 2, that is 2 root of 32 minus 4 square 16 plus 32 by 2 16 sin inverse of 4 by 4 root 2, that is 1 by root 2. 16 into sin inverse of 1, that is pi by 2. Minus 2 into 32 minus 16. 16. Root 16 is what? 4. Directly I am writing. Minus into plus minus. 16 into sin inverse of 1 by root 2. Sin 1 by root 2 at which angle? Pi by 4. Here 2 ones are 2 8s are. 4 ones are 4 4s are. 8 pi minus 4 pi minus 8. 4 pi minus 8. This is which one? A2, second area. But we need the complete area from where to where? 0, OA, BC, O, total area required. How to find this area? By sum of these two areas. By adding these two areas, we will get the total area or required area. Required area equal to A1 plus A2. A1 is 8 plus A2 is 4 pi minus 8. 8 cancelled. Answer is 4 pi is the answer. This is an important question for 5 marks. Guarantee question for final exam. Next, example 5. Find the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 and the ordinates x equal to 0 and x equal to AE. E is called the value of E we know for ellipse lies between eccentricity from 0 to 1. B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square and E is less than 1. Okay, ellipse is given, ordinates also given. The structure of this will get diagram. This is clearly x is equal to 0. What is the foci of this is AE comma 0 and minus AE comma 0. That is another one is given foci only S. S is AE comma 0. This is x equal to AE. Here both parts we need to find out. Above part and below part. I will find out one part, I will make double. This is the origin center. From 0 to AE, I will find out above part. I will make the double to find total AG. OS AB. The ellipse what is given, take x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and the limits is x equal to 0 and x equal to AE. I am doing with respect to x only. So find y in terms of x. 1 minus x square by a square, send b square that side, LCM is a square, that is b square by a square into a square minus x square. Y value what? B by a into root of a square minus x square. Now, required area. I need both above and below. That's why for that I will do 2 times of area of region OSABO. OSABO. 2 into integral. For this limits is what? From 0 to AE. And what is the y in terms of x? B by a root of a square minus x square into dx. B by a take common, 2b by a. Integrate this, what will you get? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a from 0 to AE. Now substitute upper limit 2b by a. Substitute upper limit what? AE by 2 under root of a square minus a square e square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a, AE by a, that is E, minus lower limit. For lower limit both values become 0 only. 2b by a, AE by 2, take a square common, a square into 1 minus e square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of E. Now multiply this 2b by a inside. 2b by a into AE by 2. This complete value already we know what? B square. Root of B square means becomes what? B plus 2b by a into a square by 2 into sin inverse of E. Now here a cancel, 2 cancel. What first value? E b square, b into b square. Here 2 cancel, on a value cancel, plus ab into sin inverse of E. That value we don't know directly. So this is a final simplified value, and this is clearly b square. Root of b square becomes b, that only this value. Okay. Now remaining we will discuss in next session. Thank you.